The video you just watched was 45 seconds long, and today I'm going to show you how you can create AI animation videos just like this using Seedance 2. And the best part is you can make videos of unlimited length. So let's get started. So the method we are going to use today for creating AI animation videos is called the storyboard method. First, we are going to create a character sheet for our main character. Let me show you how. For this tutorial, I'm using Luva AI because I think it's one of the best value for money platforms available right now. First, click on the AI image option and select text to image. As you can see, all premium image models are available here, and you can use them unlimited times if you have their paid plan. Now click on image to image. Make sure GPT image 2 is selected as the model, then upload your photo. After that, enter a simple prompt. Here, you only need to customize the character according to your needs, such as the outfit, facial expressions, hairstyle, and similar details. For example, I've written that my character is wearing a black t-shirt and has a light beard. Leave the rest of the prompt unchanged. At the end, simply add your preferred style reference. Whether you want an anime style, a 3D Pixar style, or a comic style, you can mention it there. In my case, I'll use Pixar animation style. Next, set the quality to highest, the resolution to 2K, and the aspect ratio to 16:9. If I enable the unlimited toggle, the image generation will be completely free and no credits will be used. Now click generate. And there we have our character sheet in Pixar animation style. Simply download it. Next, open Claude or ChatGPT. Click on the plus icon and upload the MD file. Then upload the character sheet we just created. Now, simply describe the story you want to create. You don't need to explain everything in full detail. For example, I've already mentioned the animation style and then I've written a short overview of my story. Now go to effort and set it to high so the AI can generate a much better result. Click generate. Claude has now created a detailed storyboard prompt for us. Remember, this storyboard is designed for a 45-second video. If you want a 30-second, 60-second, or any other duration, simply tell Claude to change the duration accordingly. Now copy the generated prompt and go back to Luva AI. Upload your character sheet and paste the storyboard prompt here. Select 4K resolution so the generated images have better details. Then click generate. Now we have our storyboard ready. The only issue is that Seedance 2 can generate videos up to 15 seconds long. So how do we create a 45-second animation? It's simple. Just crop the storyboard into 3 separate sections. Then add a white background behind each cropped frame. This will give us 3 different storyboard frames. Now go to AI video and select image to video. Choose Seedance 2 as the model. Make sure reference to video is selected. Upload the first storyboard frame we created. Then add this prompt. Set the duration to 15 seconds and the aspect ratio to 16:9. If you want even better consistency, upload your character sheet as an additional reference image. Now click generate. Repeat the same process for all 3 storyboard frames and generate 3 separate videos. Once all the videos are ready, download them and merge them together. Luva AI is one of the most affordable tools for content creators because it allows you to use premium models like Seedance 2 and GPT Image 2 an unlimited number of times. So go ahead, try Seedance 2 Unlimited on Luva AI and start creating your own AI animation videos.